All right, so it's day 3 and we're still here in Meghalaya. Today's a Sunday, so what we've been told is a lot of the places are closed. Some places are open, so a lot of the touristy places are closed. We have a local person here. He is actually the chef of where we're staying, and he said he's willing to take us around, and I guess we'll get to see his village as well. So this is our place where we're staying right here. So unique homestay. And so, yeah, we'll take you along with us and we can show you the village and the areas.
It's really bright. That's why our eyes are squinting.
Yes, we need our glasses.
Can't really see anything.
Yeah,
So
this park
bright.
is open, eh?
This park is open.
Eco Park is open, which is nice.
Yeah.
But most of the places we've been told is closed because it's a Sunday, so
Yeah.
so we'll check it out. So we were just about to head out. So we were just here at our homestay and we had some coffee. A lot of places are closed from what we are told, but we're gonna go out and explore the area. And we actually have one of the locals here with us. So he's actually one of the chefs here, and he makes amazing food.
And he made her coffee.
And he made her coffee this morning as well. And we really enjoyed the food so far that we're having, and he decided that he's available today to show us around his village and different areas. So let's see here. So you can mention your name and...
Yeah, my name is John. I'm from Meghalaya, Cherrapunji. Then today I'll go in Riatnohkhlieh. It's like a very nice place, like a falls.
All right, we're looking forward to seeing that, seeing the area there.
Like what I say?
It's nearby.
Nearby my hometown. Like,
Okay.
Like a mountain, so many mountains, like clouds.
Okay, perfect. And we're gonna have to stay hydrated because it's really hot today. And again, you have to have a good driver.
Right.
Here's Rinku.
I'm also excited because I have locals with us. I'm also very much excited because I've never tried with a local person with the sightseeing.
Yeah, so you've never seen all the
first
local
time?
stuff?
Yeah,
Yeah.
First time.
First time I am carrying a local in my car, and I'm going to explore Meghalaya.
Perfect.
especially Cherrapunji, yeah.
So we're going through to a place which is very remote, I guess. John is showing us an area that that I guess the locals only go to see. So we're trying to get there, but it looks pretty rough. I don't even know if you can get through here. Let's try. Alright, John, you're taking us to a really remote area here. These roads are rough. They remind me of Arunachal. Itanagar, I think.
No, nothing was good.
Yeah. So they're just building this probably. Oh wow. Now it's like perfectly paved and really nice. Finally made it. That was some really rough roads actually to get here, but now you can see that it's really paved and pretty nice. It seems like they're just starting to kind of build this.
Like brand new, right?
It looks like it's all brand new, but those roads are really rough to get through to get here. Nice. So what is this area called, John? Lai Pating Kosio. And what does that mean in English?
3-step.
Knee. 3-step knee. Okay. And this is a new touristy site that's going to be starting out. So it's just under construction. Oh, so it says it right here what it's called. It's a viewpoint.
So the new name of Cherrapunji is Sorha?
Yeah.
Sorha.
That's a new name of Cherrapunji. Sorha. Okay. All right. It looks pretty nice. Like they're designing it pretty nice. I guess they got to make the area first for viewing it, then the road that goes to it.
Yeah.
the road going to it is least important until after it's actually constructed.
It's like windy, right? To cool things.
Yes, it is pretty windy.
Hot.
Nice. Very cool landscape.
Yeah.
So there's a waterfall that we're gonna see here? Waterfall? Okay. Nice.
I like the steps.
Yes.
Pathway is nice. Well thought out. Nice new design, right?
Yes. When we were driving here, I almost felt like, where are we going? Because the roads were pretty rough.
Okay, this looks like a cliff, right? Cliffside.
Cliffside, yeah. These are going to be like little homestays maybe, or food.
Little picnic areas.
Picnic areas. And then for kids,
Right, and that's a little playground.
playground. Yeah, it looks like you can have like a fire in there as well.
Cook your food.
Cook your food.
or reheat it.
You want to see the inside of it? Oh, that's not on properly. Oh, this is going to be a kitchen.
So there's a fire here. Fire. Okay, and then this is your sink.
This is the cooking spot.
Need to install the
Oh, there's a picture of
tap. And then you get a nice view of everything, right? That looks like that's where the waterfall is.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. We're the first ones to see it.
All dried up now, right?
Oh, we are first let's go this.
Yes, yeah. So we're the only ones here right now.
Yeah, we have this whole place to ourselves.
Yes.
Are we out here?
I think once they actually build it, then you'll get a lot more people coming here.
Yeah. They already have garbage cans set up. That's nice.
Yes. Just the road needs to be fixed, and I
the road
think
needs to be
after that, then you'll get more people.
Yeah. Ow, my legs hurt.
I know, seems from the double
It's
decker.
hurting to go down steps now, right? From the walk.
Yes, reminds you of yesterday.
Yep.
Oh.
You tell, like, our muscles have been like
Are aching.
worked very hard.
All right, we've almost made it down. Just feeling really tired because we did a really long trek yesterday, and now our legs and calves
are sore.
are very sore and hurting. But we have made it down here. It's not that bad actually. It's only bad for us because we are sore. Pretty sure during the monsoon season this would be amazing to see. So you said monsoon season starts in May?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you plan to come out here, if you come after May, then maybe you'll see a lot more water coming through
Yeah.
here.
It would probably be gushing
Yes.
through here,
Yeah.
right?
Well, this is their summer, right? So that's why everything's dried up.
Yeah.
Oh wow. This is some really nice views. That's the double decker just down there?
Yeah, down there.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
That's what we did yesterday. We did the double decker yesterday. It's right there, Chels.
Oh, it's like, you can see it from here.
Yeah. Oh, that wind feels so nice.
Oh, and the water
And the water mist.
feels nice and cool. I'd imagine during the monsoon it's shit, right?
Yeah.
There's another viewpoint down there. We get a better angle.
It's true. Oh, that feels so nice.
They're very like they love
The metal bridges, yeah. This one feels like it's more stable than the other ones that we took. is go down here and actually go right into the the waterfall. There's a rainbow? Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. How did you get down there? You just jumped? All right, so let's see if we can get down there. Really close up to the waterfall here. Pretty amazing. You can kind of see a rainbow from the water. Well, it's really cool to see. And it's really nice and refreshing actually, because of the mist coming in. It feels really good on the body after coming up those steps, or coming down those steps. I mean. All right. So we just got finished seeing the waterfalls here. So it's really nice to be able to know about it. And if you talk to a local person, they can probably tell you where it is. The roads to get here are pretty rough, but this is what it's called. So if you want to ask anybody around, any local person, and they can probably guide you in what direction to go. But the roads are rough, and I think they are fixing it because I think they're going to be making this into a tourist spot to come into. But as you can tell, there's nobody here at all. But it's a nice place to enjoy. All right, so we just stopped here to grab a quick bite at this place here. So we're gonna check it out. Just waiting to wash our hands, and then we can get some food. And then just down here, we're seeing that they have meat that they're selling just right on the street here. So there's pork, it looks like. So this is all their meats. Hello. What is this?
Pork.
That's pork? Pork. Chicken, and this is all pork. Pork, and then chicken feet. Oh wow. This is pork rib. Pork rib, wow.
This is all pork?
All pork, and then there's chicken. Chicken feet, chicken right here. Wow.
Fresh from today?
It's today? From today. Fresh from today. You always get it fresh every day. And you cut it in the morning. Okay, okay. It's hard to keep the flies away. The fan you have to keep on.
Keep fanning it.
Yeah. And then this is the inside of it, probably the liver and... Okay. All right. Cool. Thank you. Local pork shop with chicken. So that was very interesting to see. All right, so let's wash our hands and get some food. Okay, so we just tried some local beef. It's very good. Very small portion though. It's like 50 rupees for like just a piece of beef, and you get a little bit of sauce. So we actually had 2 pieces of beef and a little bit of sauce, but it wasn't enough to finish the rice. And this right here is called dokle. Dokle. And what that is, it's a mix of pork with onions, beef, ginger, A little bit of salt, okay. And no bones in there. No bones, okay. So
try
give
it?
that a try? Yeah, sure. You just pour a little bit on my plate there. That's probably good. Let's give it a try. I'll let you try it first here.
I taste ginger.
Is it ginger?
Ginger, yeah.
And this plate, this much was 30 rupees. 30 rupees, so you get 30 rupees for this much to try with your rice.
The beef one was the best.
The beef one was the best?
Yeah.
So the beef one has pretty good flavor.
Has a
yeah.
more like stronger flavor, right?
All right, so we just came over here and we are looking at the Seven Sisters Waterfall. But right now, since it's not monsoon, you can't really see the seven waterfalls. No. But you can see a little bit of water dripping down. It's hard to see. This is not a lot, really. But during the monsoon, there's actual 7 waterfalls here. And that's what this area is called. It's called Seven Sisters Waterfall. But it also has a local name as well. And I'll show you what the local name is because I can't pronounce it. It's kind of covered. I guess it's off season right now maybe. But that's what it's called actually. There's a place here that you can actually eat as well, just along here. We're here with a friend here that was telling us that it's best time to come here is during the monsoon, and he actually has a recording of when there was a lot of rain or some rain and there was actually waterfall. So here, I'll show you the recording. So this is the actual recording of how much rain there actually, or how much waterfall there actually was.
It was around 2 days continuous rains
2 days continuous rain.
and then waterfall. So when last year in 2022,
2022. Okay. Wow. So compare this to this. There's nothing because it's the summer right now, right? So if you're planning a trip to come to Meghalaya, best time to come
is in
monsoon. Monsoon time.
the Meghalaya in Indian language is land of clouds.
Land of clouds.
Land of clouds.
Meg is clouds. Alai means snow.
Okay.
Basically, this state is called land of clouds.
The land of clouds because of all the rain.
Fly about this also. There are lots of clouds. I have a video of mine also when I was flying about this to Guwahati.
Nice. Nice.
There are a lot of videos when I came here somewhere in monsoon also, but the time the rains were not there.
Oh, I see. Okay. Nice. So it's beautiful to visit here, but best time is monsoon time.
Best time is monsoon.
Nice. Okay. All right. So that's when we should have come is monsoon
Yeah,
time.
we'll come back next time.
Yeah. So it's good to keep in mind that's when to come.